tornado has struck Auckland's North Shore, killing 2 people, injuring at least 20 others, and leaving behind a trail of wrecked shops, homes and offices. Traffic was brought to a standstill on much of the North Shore as the sky darkened, torrential rain fell, and then the tornado struck, first at the Albany Mega Centre before it headed south through Glenfield, across the Waitemata Harbour to suburbs on the city side of the bridge, where it petered out, as Kim Chisnell reports. It started off looking like a smoke cloud, but as it gathered strength, it started picking up whatever was in its path: people, parts of buildings and cars. At the Albany Mega Centre, customers rushed outside in panic.
At that moment, it just came over our store, and we were being sucked back in, and all the customers were being sucked back in, and then all of a sudden just water just came down, so it just must have just passed us really quickly.
All the iron and that were all bouncing through the air, and this car just come over the building and down over the side of the building. One worker said she hid under a table.
And all rubbish was flying through the building, and the whole thing just took off, and then the doors opened and closed, and everybody rushed to the car park, and there's cars flying over.
Across the road at Hackensack Supermarket, Elena Campbell went outside to find her car wasn't where she'd left it.
Very much to my amazement, we came out to clean up the debris after the tornado had come through, and so I thought, where's my car? And somebody had said, oh, there's one gone over the road, and this is it.
And that's a good 100 metres or more.
Oh, easy, yeah. In parts it was parked down below a brick wall, so it's actually lifted it up and pulled it over the wall.
Those outside when the tornado hit had nowhere to hide, and some were lifted into the air.